I just dropped my phone again. It's summertime, bro. I ain't even gonna have. And hide your hoe. I know y'all might be like, damn, Joe, man, you looking strong. Damn, Joe, man, how you work? Nigga, I've been to the gym one time this past whole year. Not 2024. From summer to summer, nigga. I just got back one day. One day I'm in that bill. Look, bro, I'm Joe, man, motherfucking ranch, you feel me? Like, this is me. This is me, bro. Like, it's the real me. I've been gone for a good ass minute. 2.5 weeks. Y'all boy got me to 1.6K. Nigga, that's almost 2 bands. Nigga, I'm finna be out of school, bro. Like, it's over with, bro. All the shit I was complaining about, bro, it's over with, bro. They do it. The main reason why we here, goddamn, I can't text no hoe, bro. Like, I got a fat doodle screen. Like, hold on, where my head at, bro? Like, y'all think I'm playing? Nigga, it's summertime. Hide your hoe. If y'all don't know, nigga, I'm a mechanic. I'm a smoker. I fit phone. I fit Xbox. I build and fit computer. I do YouTube. I fit camera. But I fit everything, bro. Including your boss. Alright, let me stop bullshitting, bro. Let me stop bullshitting. I forgot, but just cause it's summertime. Hide your hoe. This ain't even no tutorial for real. You just finna fix your shit. What does your broke phone gotta do with me? It don't got shit to do with me. Fix your phone for me, nigga. I got tools in the box. I'm already prepped for this, so I really know what to do. I do this shit for real, goddamn. So let's do it. I'm really gonna be talking to y'all while I'm fixing it, cause like I said, why the fuck is your phone broken? What does it have to do with my phone fix tutorial? Hey, bro, first thing first, bro. Power this goddamn. Cut this bitch off, bro. Just cut this hoe off. Man, take that suction cup and pull that bitch. Watch this, bro. When I take this suction cup and I pull that hoe off, watch that. You see that? It's as easy as that, bro. Like, I ain't gonna cap. You just fix your phone. Get the fuck. Yo, I'm sorry. Thing about repairing phones, you can do what the fuck you want. Like, you don't even need no tools, bro. You just use what tool you want. Like, it's gonna be harder for me to do it while y'all niggas here, but you feel me? Suction cup, nigga, rip that little shit up, nigga. Put that little shit in there. You just go along the sides with this bitch. I ain't gonna cap though. Like, this is not a detailed tutorial. I do not. Please don't fix your phone on this tutorial. Like, your shit might blow up. You feel me? When you get that left side, bro, the left side of the phone, you don't go around that part, bro. You just gonna goddamn adhesive. Lift that bitch out like this. Now, nigga, you got a fucking open iPhone. You like, what the fuck? I'm like, what the fuck? But look, bro, it's some screws in that bitch that you gotta unscrew. Really, you supposed to goddamn mount this up and shit. Me personally, like, this is my phone. When this is my phone, I ain't gonna say I don't give a fuck, but it's not like I'm fixing it, bitch. So I don't give a fuck. But you gonna get your goddamn screwdrivers. They give you 3, but I'm not gonna switch. I'm not switching nothing like the Face ID and shit. I'm really only gonna need 2, I think. Like this, y'all boys. See the inside screw right here. I'm unscrewing up the base plate right now. That's a fucking screw, nigga. It's like this for damn near any iPhone I had. Usually these 2 screws are Phillips screwdrivers, and then this one is like maybe a star penelope, some bullshit. I'm just gonna unscrew the other one right below it. When you got all the screws taken out now, you feel me? It's gonna unscrew this portion of the bit, goddamn. Watch this. The part that was connected to the the old screen, that was right here. This right here, this your like battery and shit. Really, the battery was supposed to unconnect first, but you gonna goddamn unplug your battery, bro. See the top one right here? Get that bitch up. Battery unplugged. The one under it, take that out too for good measures. Now you got a broken ass iPhone. Like, with battery unplugged, you can't do shit, etc. I also like, you really could just let me fix your phone, like a whole Joe Man repairman. Like, I do the shit $5 cash out. This the old screen, bro. Broke screen. Like, I don't want glass all over my room, but you feel me? This over with, doodle. Don't get the new screen, you feel me? First, we gonna prep this little shit. So you got a screen, you feel me? Beautiful ass screen. All this goddamn little extra shit, bro. Take this shit off. Take that shit off. We gotta put this whole back together now, bro. So look, screen gotta go on now. Like, you can't be playing around, cause this bitch, your new screen, bro. This bitch will fly and fuck up and break. We gonna take the screen connector and put it in the screen insert. Y'all can't really see, cause I don't wanna break this shit. I got my phone screen connected, bro. See, the best thing, like, times like this when your phone is open, inspect your phone. See if the nigga who was working on that bitch, like, dead fuck your shit up, cause they'll dead do that shit. Once you connect the goddamn phone, you gonna plug back in the battery and shit, nigga. I can't really show y'all, cause, you feel me? I don't wanna break it. But when I power this bitch on, it should work. All I had to do was goddamn plug the phone in, you feel me? As you can see, brand new screen working. Ooh, yeah, look at that, man. Shit back in motion, you feel me? Now, we gonna shut this bit back down and we gonna close the phone. Usually, you have a little adhesive like seal so you can keep like your water resistance and shit. Apparently, this phone screen didn't come with it. I don't really trip about it because I don't really try to get my phone in water anyways. You just reinstall it bit, like it's gonna fit into some clips and just go in like Play-Doh, Lego. Gotta be careful though, you wanna bend them Boy, you can't catch that look beautiful. You that look beautiful. You might turn the phone around and be like, what the fuck? But like, that look beautiful. I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't even put the backplate and shit back on. I'm dumb as shit. Oh, you see what I'm doing? Text to your hoe. Easy as that, you feel me? Working screen, everything straight, you feel me? Make sure my camera back straight. Camera working shit, damn. Might just smack your hoe. My AD card just got, oh nigga, my AD card just got full, bro. My AD Joman motherfucking rent, bro. That just mean goddamn it time to end the Schmitty, yo. Joman motherfucking rent, you feel me? Like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? Let's do this shit, goddamn. It's summertime, bro. So it's not even that we just back in that mode. We back in that mode, nigga. Let's do it. I appreciate all the support y'all boy give me, bro. Like, even when I don't draw, that shit be crazy. Well, you feel me? I'm back and I'm back to smack this shit for good. Let's do it. Love y'all boys. Nigga, this run game shit forever. Let's do it.